How to clear Instagram search suggestions when typing on Android. So first is to head over to the Instagram application. Then tap your profile icon located on the lower right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Then tap your activity and then scroll down until you find recent searches, which is under how you use Instagram. So in here, you will find all of your recent searches. So to delete, just tap clear all. Or you can tap the X button beside the account. And now go back and then tap the three horizontal lines, which is found on the upper right corner. Then tap settings and then select the help option. Then tap report a problem and turn off the shake phone to report a problem option. And now tap report a problem. Then tap include and continue. Write down a message describing your issue. Once you're done, tap the send button located on the upper right corner. And now all you have to do is wait until your issues has been resolved. And so that is how you clear Instagram search suggestions when typing on Android. Thank you and have a great day.